I must have to the government as well. They did a fantastic job in laying out this 2.3 kilometer circle. I do a half-lap around. First phase, the second stage at elevation, and then there's a real fast right left. It's quite crazy. That's how tough I did. Who's driving this one of the skies. Painful like that. It's going really slow. Right on this game D, I don't know, because they've had a great time out. They've had an absolutely remarkable weekend so far, and it just continues to get better for all the fans and everyone on the grid.
It's a packed grid. All the teams and drivers are waiting, ready, excited to go racing.
It's going to be awesome to see these guys get underway. You've got that golden, shiny car from Chaitanya and Sourav. Their own position. Sourav Ganguly will be really happy about the fact that he's spoken our Royal Tigers and put the car on pole. But it's a combination of those two as well that will be immense to watch.
Also, notice the sticker on the front of every single car. The face you're seeing is a very important face in the world of Indian motorsport. We're all giving all of our support to the family of Mr. Sudeep Sharma, Hardy as we all.
Sanjay
Sharma. We only know him as Hardy, and he's given us so many breaks to so many key people, including the rating crew.
As we've said, you've seen the Indian Grand Prix, you've seen MotoGP in India, you've been to every street circuit that we've gone to, whether Chennai, Hyderabad, now we're here. To see Goa, which is a very different vibe, it's a party vibe, to have some